Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm making this short video for Fuse HVAC. And in this video, I basically want to talk about three things which will help you bring in customers to your business today. So if you like what you see by the end of the video, give me a call. We can definitely chat. If not, no worries. So what I want to talk about today, three things will be content, citations, and backlinks. So I'll get right into it. So as you see, I'm on your guys' home page right here. And the first thing I want to talk about is content. That means anything that's on this page. That'll be pictures, words, videos, anything. So I see you guys definitely spend some time making the website. It's a lot of clickable material. And I see that from this, you guys have a variety of different work that you guys definitely are doing. So it's pretty good. But I would recommend you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage, which are content rich and targeted to your company and your industry, which will help it beat out your competition. That's my main thing. And also how each picture is saved and what's behind it really matters as well and helps you rank. So you guys have a lot of that. You can definitely look into it. Like for example, if I go here, well, that's a link rather. This main picture right here, I'll try to save it. See how it pops up. So over here, you want to have actual keywords, not just these two words right here. You want to write your name of the company, like New York City, HVAC. It'll help you rank too. So this stuff in the background is what Google really looks at, as well as in the front. So that's one thing, content. You want to have at least 1,500 or more words, content rich. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Before I get into that, I just did a quick search for New York City and basically want to show you how the customer looks at it when they search for some business. So this top section right here, it's called the Google Guarantee. This is a paid service. It's a paid ad service by Google. And what's great about it is not everybody can get on here. So what happens, Google goes through puts you through a verification process, which after they verify your business, and then you can put your ads here. It's a great service because these provide really high quality leads. After that, we go down to this traditional Google Ads section, which everybody has seen. And this is a hit or miss, especially in 2020. A lot of people got something called an ad blocker, which will completely block out this section right here. And still, if placed properly, it can definitely yield some strong leads as well. After this one, we move down to this section. It's called a map pack. And this is also where I'll talk about my second thing, citations. So citations, anywhere you can put in your business information like your name, address, and phone number. So anywhere you can put that will be a citation. So I see the map pack is definitely a place a business wants to be on because this, for a customer point of view, it gives them all the information they need. The name of the company, the industry, what the address is, what the phone number is, the hours of operation, and all the pertinent links they can click right there and make up their mind. After this, we move down to the organic section. Even this section is taken up by some national directories. National directories are like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, that kind of stuff. And in between all that, you get the websites which actually organically rank up to the first page of Google searches. So you want to be getting your company up here. That's very doable if done properly. And thirdly, I want to talk about backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to your website and potentially getting that organic traffic from there to you guys and giving you keywords at the same time. So I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a pretty good tool. They're not 100% accurate, but they provide really valuable information. They actually buy their data straight from Google and then show it in a pretty performance-oriented way to assess the statistics and performance of a website. So over here, I put in your website. As you can see, there's only like 9 referring domains which are giving a link to you guys, which in return are giving you about 26 backlinks, which gives you 59 keywords, but it's only getting you about 12 people to your website organically per month. So to put this into context, I'll show you another top competitor in New York City and their standing. Here we go. So this is the other competitor and this is their statistics right here. So as you can see, it's a big difference. They got about 826 referring domains, which refer to them. They got 4,200 backlinks. They got about 8,000 keywords, and they got about at least 18,000 people coming to their website, organic traffic every single month. So this was just for you to see where you want to be heading to. Let me go back to yours. So all these numbers, to boost them up and really give you a big boost, it's really doable. We have a lot of tips and things we do to implement this, and this is really doable. Now let me just go back to your website. So I told you I'll keep it short. That's basically all I had for today. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you want to know more about how we can help you guys rank and get you more business and grow your company online, definitely give me a call and we can talk. If not, no worries. I hope you found these tips to be useful. And I just would like to ask if you could please give me some feedback on this video and how I did. And have a great day. Thank you.